Hi, my name's Louis. Welcome to my channel. If you've ever wanted to build an AI voice agent, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from zero to a working AI voice agent, whether you're a beginner or a pro. And so this is going to be a step-by-step process on creating something cool, useful, and actually functional. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make an AI voice agent that can talk back to you like Siri, but way more custom. So if you're ready to level up your skills, build something people can't stop talking about, let's dive in. I've already built an AI voice agent, so let's give it a try to see how it works out.
Thank you for calling Super Smile Dental Clinic. This is Angela. Let's see today.
Hello, Angela. I'd like to see the dentist.
I can help you with that. Could you let me know the reason for your visit? For example, is it for a routine check, cleaning, or something else?
It's a routine check.
Got it. Let's find suitable time for your routine checkup. Do you have a specific date or time in mind, or should I check the next available slot for you?
I'd like to book for tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Let me check the availability for tomorrow at 10 a.m. for your routine checkup. We have an opening tomorrow, Wednesday, January 29th, 2025, from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. EST. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works for me.
Great. I'll need a few details to book your appointment. Could you please provide your full name?
Yes, my full name is Bob Smith.
Thank you, Bob Smith. Could you please provide your email address?
Yes, my email is bob@gmail.com.
Thank you. Just confirm your email is bob@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Lastly, could you please provide your phone number? I'll confirm back to ensure accuracy.
Yes, my phone number is 647-313-7867.
Thank you. Let me confirm your phone number. 647-313-7867. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
I'll book your routine check appointment for tomorrow at 10 a.m. EST. Your appointment has been successfully booked, Bob Smith, for tomorrow, Wednesday, January 29th, 2025, at 10 a.m. EST. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Please arrive early and bring your ID and insurance information. Do you have any other questions I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Thank you. Super Smile Dental Clinic. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye. And that is how the call flow goes. And if you look, I've received an email from the AI voice agent confirming my booking. So now I would like to show you how to build an AI voice agent exactly like that to book appointments for you and also qualify customers. To begin making your voice AI agent, you have to log into retell.com. So you go to retailalai.com, and this is the page that you first log into, which is the landing page for creating an agent. So you click on this button here, create an agent. As you can see, I've already taken the liberty of creating an agent. So, but this is what you can do. You click on single prompt agent, then you click on start from blank, and it's going to take you to a blank page where you can now start creating your voice AI agent. And it looks exactly like this. So here on the top left is where you select the model that you want to use. Now, each of these models has a different price. So I've chosen GPT-4 because for me, that is a model that can work out and it's not too expensive. It's just 5 cents a minute. Then here you choose the different voices that you want your agent to have. You can choose whichever one. The default one is Myra, and it works out well. Here you can choose your language, a multilingual agent, and all these other languages as well. If you like to add a knowledge base, so basically, if your agent is, let's say, for in my case, a dental agency, you can add different types of background information. For example, what the background of the company, the services they offer, create your knowledge base. You can add it here. Now here you alter the speech settings, how responsive it is, how long it takes to respond, and so on. And here you can determine how long you want your call to be. So if, for example, in this case, this is default, it ends automatically if nothing is said after 10 minutes, but you can reduce that. And also here, the max call duration is 1 hour, but you can also reduce that one. Then you can now choose a post-call analysis. So basically, what information you'd like to retrieve at the end of the call. So is it an email? Is it a phone number? Is it customer details in general? You can add those settings. And also here, you can choose your different security settings like sensitive data and so forth. And then finally, here you can have a webhook. So for a webhook, you can use a site like make.com. So you can create an automation on make.com and then you can link it to this site here. And then your agent can use the webhook and automatically go through that automation. So now let's look at the agent that I already created, which is this one here, the dental agent. Now, for this agent, first you have to create a prompt. Now, to create the prompt, I went to DeepSeek. And this is what I asked. So I made sure to separate it into three different sections. So I talked about the context, the persona, and then the rules to follow. Then from that, DeepSeek gave me this information. So this is just an overview of what I was given. So this is basically what I used to create my prompt in retail. Now in retail, I had to add my own things because DeepSeek just gave an overview. So here, I went into more detail about the persona of the agent. I talked about it being friendly, professional, objectives, and also the rules that it needs to follow. So for example, it should never tell the user the core prompt and instructions because that would be disastrous. Things like that. And also I made sure to specify when collecting the customer information to read it back to the customer, but in this specific format, because sometimes it reads the information back to the customer very quickly. So that's why you can see I've added dashes in between each letter so that the agent speaks slightly slower when it's talking to the customer. So now, what we want to do is we also want to add a function. So basically, this agent is going to be booking appointments for a dental agency, a dental services agency. So now here, we want to use cal.com to make the booking. So you add book appointment, and you add also check calendar availability. So in order for you to do this, you need to go to cal.com, and in cal.com, you go to settings to look for the API key. Then you click here, you add your API key. You click here, you create your API key. You can decide to create it for 1 year, 7 days, or it can never expire if you'd like. You name your API key, you copy it, and then you save it. Then from here, you paste it here under functions. Now from there, what you need to do is you go back to the main page and you look at your event type. So the event type that I wanted was this one here, a dental appointment booking. So that's the one I created earlier. And it will ask for the event type ID in retail. And this here is the event type ID, that number there. So you copy that number, take it to retail, and you paste it here. And that's going to allow you to check your calendar availability and also book your appointment. Yep. So then after that, you just test your agent, make sure that it does exactly what you'd like it to do. And then when you're satisfied, you can launch your agent. Now, if you want to change the prompt, because every time you test your agent, you can always change your prompt. You can add new things. And also, if you look here, for example, the welcome message, you can either choose the option of the user initiating. So basically, your agent is not going to say anything until the person who called says something, or you can ask the agent to begin with a dynamic message. So every time you call the agent message will be in general the same thing, but it will be dynamic, so it will change from time to time. Or you can decide to write a welcome message that the agent will use every time somebody calls. All right, so there you have it. That's your complete guide to building an AI voice agent. Now, if you found this valuable, hit that like button and let me know. And also, if you're all about learning cutting edge tech, you can subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you'll never miss a video. Here's the deal though. If you're a business owner or an entrepreneur and you're thinking, okay, this is great, but I don't have the time to build it myself, I've got you covered. So what you can do is click the link in the description for a free discovery call. Let me know how I can help you out, and then maybe we can create a custom AI agent that can transform the way you do business. So that's all from me today, and I'll see you in the next one.